for the hurt inside. It just riddles me with sadness. The fact that my mind can't decide between what's real and what is fantasy, what I make up in my head. And I wonder why it's meant for me, how easily my hand is led. 'Cause I have wasted hours, I've wasted days, trying to put off on the trying to keep all I can borrow, 'cause I can't remember every moment of my life. No. You see, I struggle with my imagination, how it gets the best of me. I've thought about these moments that I tend to forget, where they clearly have to be. I don't do it on purpose, no, no. I just try to get through every day. Places and faces and names, they may slip my mind, but some are better off that way. 'Cause I have wasted hours, I've wasted days, trying to put off on tomorrow. I have wasted all my minutes, I have wasted all my ways, trying to keep all I can borrow. 'Cause I can't remember every moment of my life, of my life, of my life. I can remember every moment